Chapter circle of 9th standard. Let us see. These are two circles. O and P are the center of the two circle. These two circles intersect each other at point A and B. These are two intersecting circles. So center of circle is OP. And we have to prove that this OP is perpendicular bisector of AB, given O and P are centers of two intersecting circles. Okay, intersect each other at A and B. Each at A and B. Then you have to prove this line segment joining the center of the circle, centers of the circles, is perpendicular bisector of a common chord. It means OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. For that we have to construct OA, AP, OB and BP. Draw OA, OB, PA, PB. Then proof is, first point, we know that triangle OAP is congruent to OBP by SSS test. How? Because OA is equals to OB, AP is equals to BP, radii of the same circle, and this is common side OP. So in triangle OAP and triangle OBP, OA is equals to OB, and because radii of the same circle, Similarly, PA equals to PB, radii of same circle. Then this is common side OP. So OP equals to OP is common side. So triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP by SSS test. All the three sides are equal. Then triangles are congruent by SSS test. As triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal. It means that angle AOP is equals to angle BOP. Angle AOP is equals to angle BOP by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. If these two angles are equal, then triangle AOM is congruent to BOM. Third point में in triangle AOM and triangle BOM, this OA is equals to OB. OA is equals to OB because it is radii of same circle, and angle AOM is equals to BOM because this we have proved AOP equals to BOP. It means that angle AOM is equals to BOM. So from 2, and this is common side OM equals to OM. OM is equals to OM. common side. As one side, then one angle, then a side is equal. If this happens, then triangles are congruent by SAS test. It means that therefore triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM by SAS test. As triangles congruent, corresponding parts are equal. It means that in the fourth point, AM equals to BM. AM equals to BM. These are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. What it means? It means that OP bisects AM. That is OP. Therefore लिखो OP bisects AB. मतलब OP ने क्या किया, AB को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. कैसे? AM इक्वल्स टू BM हो गया. तो so if AM is equals to BM, if AM is equals to BM, then M is the midpoint. Therefore M is midpoint of AB. If M is midpoint of AB, it means that this is a line segment joining center of a circle to the midpoint of the chord, then it is perpendicular to the chord. Therefore, OM is perpendicular to AB because segment joining center of a circle to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Segment center of circle to midpoint of chord is perpendicular to chord. If OM is perpendicular to AB, it means that OP is perpendicular to AP. That is, OP is perpendicular to AB. What it means? It means that OP AB को पहले हमने प्रूव किया बाइसेक्ट करता है, फिर प्रूव किया OP is perpendicular to AP. It means that OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. Therefore, OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. Hence the proof. Then another question of circle is, two circles are there and P and Q are the centers of the two circles. PQ is a distance between the centers. The circles intersect each other at A and B. Radii of the circle is 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Then distance between their center is 4 centimeter. You have to find out the length of the common chord, that is AB. You have to find out. How to find out? Given P and Q are centers of two intersecting circles. P and Q are centers of two intersecting circles. Then intersecting at A and B. It means that AB is a common chord. So this radii of the two circles are, radii of two circles are 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters, and distance between their center means PQ is 4 centimeter. Then you have to find length of AB. Then for finding AB, देखिए हम क्या लेते हैं, इसको हम ले लेते हैं x, नहीं तो एक और मेथड है वो करते हैं पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से. Solution proof या solution. First point, अब हमको मालूम है 3, 4, 5 आर गोइंग टू बी पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स। तो पहले सबसे बड़ा साइड लेते हैं, दैट इज PA square is equals to 5 square, it means 25. Then second point में बाकी दो साइड का स्क्वायर का एडिशन, it means PQ square plus AQ square, it means 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, it means 25, which is equals to PA square from 1. It means that this square of one side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore triangle PAQ or PQA, that is AQP, is right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras theorem. If it is right angle triangle and PA is, and therefore PA is, जो सबसे बड़ा साइड रहेगा वो hypotenuse होगा, so PA is hypotenuse. If PA is hypotenuse, it means that this angle is 90. Angle AQP, therefore angle AQP is equals to 90 degrees. जो हाइपोटेन्यूज का सामने एंगल है वो 90 है. It means that if this is 90, similarly we can prove that for this triangle this angle is 90. Similarly we can prove angle BQP is also 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, then in the fourth point, angle AQP plus angle BQP is equals to 90 plus 90. It means that it is equals to 180. अब adjacent angles 180 means what it forms? It forms linear pair angle. Therefore, but angle AQP and angle BQP are adjacent angles. As they are adjacent angles, therefore angle AQP and angle BQP are linear pair angles. कैसे pair हैं वो? Linear pair angles. If they are linear pair angle, what it means? AOB is a straight line. Therefore AQB is straight line. If it is straight line AQB, therefore AQ will be equals to AB equals to AQ plus QB. AQ is the radius of the smaller circle and QB is also a radius of the smaller circle. It means 3 plus 3, that is 6 centimeters. So AB will be equals to 6 centimeter. Another question based on this chapter is, these are two equal chords intersecting each other at point P, AB and CD. Then angles formed with the center, O is the center of a circle, angle formed by segment joining center to the point of intersection with the chords are equal. It means that angle OPA equals to OPC. You have to prove. To prove angle OPA equals to angle OPC, given is O is center of circle and from the figure AB is equal to CD. Chords are equal, they intersect each other at P. AB and CD intersects each other at P. Proof. For proving this, we have to construct same as before. We have to prove, we have to draw OM perpendicular to AB. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. Then proof is, first point, in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, angle OMP equals to ONP, angle OMP equals to angle ONP, each 90 degrees from construction. अब ये दोनों 90 डिग्री होने के बाद में we know that this is common hypotenuse, so hypotenuse OP equals to hypotenuse OP, common side. Then we know that this is equal to this because chords are equal, then they are equidistant from a center. So OM is equals to ON. Chords are equal, then they are equidistant from center. Chords equal है तो वो equal distances पे है center से. Therefore, triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP by RHS test. As triangles congruent, corresponding parts are equal. It means that angle OPM, therefore, angle OPM is equals to angle OPN, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. If this OPM equals to OPN, it means that angle OPA equals to OPC. That is, angle OPA equals to angle OPC. That's what we have to prove. Next question is, there are three friends standing on a circumference of a circle of radius 20 meters with a toy telephone in their hand. It means they are Ankur, Syed and David. These are the three friends standing on a circumference of a circle of radius 20 meters, and length of the thread of toy telephone is, string of toy telephone is equal. It means OS equal to SD equal to AD. Given O is center of circle, AS is equals to, SD is equals to AD. Then you have to find radius is how much? Radius is 20 meters. Then you have to find the length of the string, means AS, SD and AD. You have to find out length of the string of the toy telephone. Then this is to find. Solution is, in the first point, if we will draw this OD, OM perpendicular to SD, it means it passes through the center of the circle. Okay, so OM, O is the center of a circle, OM upon OM, AO upon OM is nothing but, it is always equals to 2:1, because in an equilateral triangle altitude is a median. This is 2:1 because in an equilateral triangle altitude is median. If altitude is median, then median divides each other in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, OM upon OA upon OM is nothing but 2:1. OA is nothing but it is equals to radius of a circle. So therefore, OM is what? 20 upon OM is equals to 2/1, since AO is equals to radius, and that is 20 meters. So cross multiplying 20 upon 2 equals to OM, therefore OM is equals to 10 meters. As OM is 10 meters, two sides of right angle triangle is known, so we can find out third side by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, in second point, in right angled triangle OMS, SM square plus OM square equals to OS square by Pythagoras theorem. SM we have to find out, OM is 10, so 10 square is equals to, this is OS is 20, so 20 square. So SM square plus 100 will be equals to 400. So SM square is equals to 400 minus 100. So SM square is equals to 300. So SM is equals to root of 300. Root of 300 is 10 root 3 because 100 ka root is 10 and root of 3 will be root 3. This is meters. So SM मिल गया. SM मिलने के बाद में SD will be equals to, therefore SD is equals to 2 times of SM because perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord of a circle. It is equals to 2 into 10 root 3. So SD will be equals to 20 root 3 meters. If SD is known, AS is also equal, therefore AS is equals to SD is equals to AD is equals to 20 root 3 meters. Question on the circle chapter is, these are two equal chords intersecting each other at point P. O is a center of a circle. AB and CD are the equal chords of a circle intersecting each other at point P. Given O is center of circle, chord AB is equal to chord CD. AB and CD intersects each other at P. Then you have to prove corresponding segments formed by the intersecting of the chords are equal. It means that AP will be equal to CP, AP equal to CP, and then we have to prove that iska corresponding A wala, it means BP equals to DP. Then proof mein, first of all we have to construct something, that is draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD and join OP. And join OP. In the proof, first point is, in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, we know that chords are equal, then they are equidistant from the center. It means OM equals to ON. Chords are equal, then the distance from the center is also equal. It means that OM equals to ON. This is common side, it means common hypotenuse. And angle OMP equals to ONP, each is 90 degrees. Angle OMP equals to angle ONP equals to 90 degrees each. Then hypotenuse OP is equals to hypotenuse OP. Common side. Then OM is equals to ON. If OM equals to ON, what it means? Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from a center. Therefore, triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP by RHS test, right angle, hypotenuse and the sides. If triangles are congruent, means corresponding parts are equal, it means MP equals to NP. MP equals to NP. These are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We know that AB is equals to CD. This is what given. If AB equals to CD, then half of AB will be equal to half of CD. Therefore, ये हम थर्ड पॉइंट उधर लिख देते हैं. AB equals to CD. This is what given. So half of AB is equals to half of CD. Multiplying half on both sides. So half of AB is what? Half of AB is AM and half of CD is CN, because perpendicular from center to chord bisects chord. सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया कॉर्ड के ऊपर तो कॉर्ड को बाइसेक्ट करता है. इट मींस हाफ ऑफ AB इज AM एंड हाफ ऑफ CD इज CN. नाउ AM में अगर हम MP ऐड कर देते हैं तो AP आ जाएगा. व्हाट दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट. सो AM प्लस इन द फोर्थ पॉइंट ऊपर लिखते हैं. इन द फोर्थ पॉइंट AM प्लस MP is equals to CN plus NP. Adding 2 and 3. Now AM plus MP is AP and CN plus NP is CP. First is proved. Now AB equals to CD. This is what given. If AB is equal to CD, AB can be written in the form of AP plus BP. And CD can be written in the form of CD plus DP. CP plus DP. Now AP is equal to CP, cancelled from both the sides. Since AP equal to CP from fourth, therefore BP equal to DP. Hence the proof. Question of this chapter in the same exercise, fourth of circle. 3 friends are there: Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. A radius of a circle is given. They are standing on a circumference of a circle of radius 5 meters. Reshma throws a ball to Salma to Mandeep, and Mandeep returns to Reshma. Distance between Reshma and Salma and Mandeep is same, that is 6 meters each. Then you have to find out distance between Reshma and Mandeep. It means you have to find distance between Reshma and Mandeep, RM. O is the center of a circle given. O is center of circle and radius is 5 meters. Then you have to find out the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. RS is equal to SM and that is equals to 6 meters each. अब solutions देखेंगे हम. OS को ड्रॉ कर देते हैं, देन सिंपल हो जाएगा एकदम। इसको x ले लिया, सो परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड बाइसेक्ट द कॉर्ड, सो ये x तो ये भी x, सो RM इज नथिंग बट 2x। सो फॉर फाइंडिंग दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ORS। ORS का एरिया निकालेंगे। So for that, if this is 5, this is also 5. First point में in triangle ORS, OS is 5, OR is 5, sorry, OR is 5 meters, let it be A. RS is 6 meter, that let it be B, and OS is 5 meters, let it be C. Okay, then we can find out area of the triangle by Heron's formula because all the three sides, values of sides are known. So we will find out semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2, 5 plus 6 plus 5 by 2, it means 16 by 2, that is 8 meters. After getting that, area of triangle ORS will be given by root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Root of S is what? S is 8 into 8 minus A is what? 5 into 8 minus B is what? 6 into 8 minus C is what? 5. So it will be root of 8 into 8 minus 5 is 3 into 8 minus 6 is 2 into 8 minus 5 is 3. So we will factorize this one. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 into 3 into 2 into 3. अब ये 2 बार आया है 2, एक बार लिखेंगे रूट के बाहर, ये भी 2 बार 2 आया है, एक बार बाहर, 2 बार 3 है, एक बार बाहर। So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 meters square is the area of triangle ORS. After getting this area ORS, we will have area of a triangle by half into base into height. Area of same triangle ORS is nothing but half into, second point, area of triangle ORS is nothing but half into base into height. So half into, for ORS, if base is OS, then height will be this x. So ORS is what? 12. 12 into 2 equals to OS. OS is what? 5 into x. So therefore 12 into 2 upon 5 equals to x. Therefore x equal to 12 4 the 12 2s are 24 upon 5. So x will be equals to 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40. x मिल गया। x मिलने के बाद में थर्ड पॉइंट में we can find out, in the third point we can find out this RM. RM is nothing but 2 times of x because perpendicular from center to chord bisects chord. So 2 into x is 4.8, so it's 9.6 meters is RM. Another question on this chapter is, these are two concentric circles, means circles having same center, and this is a chord of a circle intersecting circles at A, B, C and D. O is the center of a circle. Given O is center of two concentric circles. What are concentric circles? Circles having same center. So these are two concentric circles, दोनों का center same है. Then you have to prove this line intersect circles at A, B, C and D. Then you have to prove AB equals to CD. For that you have to construct OM perpendicular to BC. Draw OM perpendicular to draw OM perpendicular to BC. Then proof is, first point, if OM is perpendicular to BC, then it will divide this BC into two equal parts, because perpendicular from a center to the chord bisects the chord of a circle. Therefore, as OM is perpendicular to BC, BM equals to MC. Perpendicular from center to chord bisects chord. Second point में OM, as OM is perpendicular to BC, then OM is perpendicular to AD also. This is from construction. If OM is perpendicular to AD, then AD is a chord of a bigger circle. So line segment perpendicular from a center to the chord is line segment perpendicular from a center to the chord bisects the chord. It means that AD को bisect करेगा. Therefore, AM will be equals to MD. Again, same reason, perpendicular from center to chord bisects chord. Therefore, we can write down this AM as AB plus BM. AB plus BM, and MD as MC plus CD. Now, BM equals to MC. BM equals to MC, since BM is equals to MC from 1. Therefore, AB is equal to CD.